Are you someone like me whose growth rate is really slow? By this, I mean that averagely or on an average, your hair does not grow half an inch a month as it should. It takes longer for it to grow longer, and you have to put in more effort, unlike other people, just to make your hair grow. In my hair journey, I used to compare my hair a lot and it got me frustrated because it seemed no matter how much effort I put in, my hair does not grow fast like other people. Hence, I ventured into my research and I found a lot of tips that has been helping me. Now my hair is almost at bra length, and in this video I will show you everything I found and more, but you need to watch to the end to get the full secret. I will also expose you to some of the herbs and juice I use for my hair to stimulate blood flow and make sure the growth rate is fast. The first secret is to make sure your hair is always moisturized. Make sure your hair is never dry at any point, because when your hair is dry, there is every tendency that it will break. Hence, if you're someone like me whose growth rate is really slow, that is, your hair does not grow really fast like other people hair, then you need to make sure moisture is your best friend. You do not want your hair to get dry, you do not want it to break. And also, I would advise that you focus on your hands, the hands of your hair, because they are literally the oldest part of your hair. Since they are old, then they can break easily. So whenever you're moisturizing, focus on the ends of your hair. Go in with enough conditioner, go in with enough oil, and seal with oil and butter. Truthfully, ever since I started doing this, my hair was not breaking often, and then I was retaining a lot of length, and I was seeing the result, even though my hair growth rate was slow. But as you can see, my hair has been growing, is still growing. The second secret, and this one is absolutely the bomb, is scalp massage. Guys, this is the truth. However, what I do is apply some oil to my scalp, or rather, I apply some oils to my palm, rub them together, and go on to massaging them into my scalp. Massaging thoroughly. I make sure the oil gets to every section of my scalp, every part of my scalp, focusing on my problem area, especially those parts of my head I feel are thinning. I go on, apply some oil to my scalp. I guess the oil was actually going into my eyes. So I apply some oil to my scalp. After applying, focusing on my problem area, I then go on to massaging thoroughly. According to research, scalp massage can promote hair growth by improving blood circulation on your scalp and enhancing the strengthening of the hair follicle. I also found that if you massage your scalp twice every day for 4 weeks or more, it can improve the thickening of your hair. So if you are someone that you're experiencing thinning and your hair is not growing, then you need to start incorporating scalp massage. You could set an alarm to remind you if you would like to do it every day. I promise you, when you start incorporating scalp massage, there will be a difference. The third secret is the inversion method. Inversion is turning your head upside down to make sure all the blood flows down to your scalp. It works on the principle that when blood flows down to your scalp when you invert, it aids in hair growth. It is also said that this technique could help you grow 2 extra inches every month. For a better result, you could include scalp massage while you're inverting your hair and watch your hair grow faster, longer. In my next video, I will show you how I use these three powerful ingredients to speed up my growth in spite of the fact that my hair grows very, very slowly. See you in my next video, and please do not forget to go to bed with your bonnet on. Bye.